Welcome back to Product Critique. And today we're taking a look at what I'd confidently call one of the best video conferencing kits available right now. If you've searched for a simple, professional, all-in-one solution for virtual meetings, online classes, live presentations, or remote collaboration, then stick around because this might be exactly what you've been looking for. This is the TONGVEO all-in-one conference room video camera system. What makes this setup interesting is that it isn't just a camera. It's a complete system designed to solve both video and audio needs in one package. Rather than buying a separate camera, separate microphone, separate speaker, and then battling with compatibility issues, this gives you everything in one ready-to-use bundle. Let's start with the camera. This is a full HD 1080p PTZ camera with AI auto tracking built in. It can output video at 60 frames per second through both HDMI and USB 3.0. The video quality is sharp and smooth thanks to the 1/2.8-inch CMOS sensor with 2.38 megapixels of enhanced processing. It supports manual and automatic panning, tilting, and zooming with a 3x optical zoom lens. The PTZ range gives you a horizontal rotation of up to 350 degrees and a vertical tilt range up to 180 degrees. With a viewing angle of 114 degrees, it's wide enough to capture a whole group easily. What truly stands out is the AI tracking. The system intelligently recognizes human faces and movement, locking onto speakers and smoothly following them. Whether someone is presenting at a podium, walking around a meeting room, or teaching in a classroom, the camera maintains a clean, centered frame without requiring manual control. Next, let's talk audio, because without clear audio, even the best camera means nothing. The included Bluetooth conference speakerphone is built to support full duplex communication, meaning multiple people can talk at once naturally without audio cutoffs. The built-in microphone array has echo cancellation and noise reduction, picking up voices clearly within a range of about 16.4 feet. For a medium-sized meeting room, that's more than enough. The connection options are flexible. You can connect via USB, Bluetooth, or even use the included dongle wirelessly. The speaker comes with a 2400 mAh internal battery which can last between 6 to 8 hours of continuous use. That makes it ideal for mobile setups, training sessions, or conference rooms where the table layout may change. Now let's talk setup and compatibility. This system is plug and play. The camera connects through USB 3.0 or HDMI, depending on your platform. If you want to run it directly into a TV or large screen, HDMI works beautifully. If you prefer using a laptop for streaming or conferencing apps, USB 3.0 handles that instantly with no driver installation. The speakerphone connects just as easily. Once everything is powered and connected, it works seamlessly with Zoom, Microsoft Teams, OBS, WebEx, FaceTime, YouTube, and pretty much any major conferencing or streaming platform. It supports Windows 7 and above, and macOS 10.10 and above, which covers almost any modern system. In practical use, this system is best suited for small to medium conference rooms. The company suggests it works well for rooms up to 40 square meters and groups of 8 to 12 people. That makes it ideal for team meetings, hybrid classrooms, interview setups, online religious services, customer presentations, telemedicine, and even content creators who need mobility and tracking. One thing worth noting is that the PTZ camera itself is wired while the speaker is wireless. That means when planning your space layout, you'll want to keep that in mind. So who is this product really for? If you just need a webcam for one-on-one calls, this is overkill. But if you want a professional setup that makes remote collaboration feel natural and in person, then this offers excellent value. You get automated camera tracking, a wide-angle PTZ system, crisp audio input, a powerful conference speaker, and seamless software compatibility, all without needing to build or troubleshoot separate components. Overall, the TONGVEO all-in-one video conferencing kit is a strong contender for any organization or professional looking for a reliable, easy to set up, high-quality communication solution. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to subscribe to Product Critique for more real evaluations of tech products. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.